few weeks previous to this, we had already prepared the surfaces to apply the primer coat, which we're doing at this point in time. So a good primer coat to cover it all, and then later on we'll apply the colors accordingly. Removal of bird poop was also an issue, so the brush had to come out again. Alright, off we go. Cleared for taxi there, you're cleared for taxi, okay? Yeah.
Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, Delta.
Foxtrot, Oscar. 150.
Yeah. Foxtrot 150.
Okay, so we'll start at this left-hand side. The wind's pretty well from the same as it was yesterday, so.
I'm just wondering if we can get away without turning them around today.
Yeah. Well, there's 3 of us, so.
Yeah.
Well, there's the first one. Now we'll see how that first coat did.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully
that'll give us a bit of a base.
Oh man, alive, is that nice or what, eh?